It's been a minute, guys, but I'm back. Missed you all so much. And if you're new here, I'm Omboy and I share all things natural hair. We're starting off strong with Cardi B's viral hair growth mask, which I'll be making myself today. I had been meaning to try this mask for the longest time, but I hadn't found the right time, so I guess today is it. Let's see if it's actually worth the hype. If you know, you know. We'll be adding all the ingredients into the blender because I need my mask to be smooth, like super smooth. If you've ever had food particles stuck in your hair, then you already know why I'm now playing with this step. I applied it on dirty hair as a pre-treatment mask before washing my hair. I'm starting off by spraying my hair with water just to lightly saturate it. And this step normally helps with easy application and also better absorption because we want our mask to penetrate completely. Applying the mask in sections also makes the process so much easier. This helps me manage my hair better and makes sure every strand is properly coated. The sleep is actually really good. Just look at that. Wow. I was actually shocked. Like, I didn't expect it to be this slippery. Like, it's giving moisture, it's giving shine, it's giving definition. Yeah, all of it. I'm here for all of it. And don't forget the ends, they need some love too. You know, they're the oldest part of the hair, so they need some extra care actually. If you've tried this mask before, let me know your experience in the comments. Cover your hair with a plastic cup and keep it in for around 30 minutes to an hour. That should do. After rinsing, my hair felt so soft and so moisturized. Next, I just cleansed my hair with shampoo as usual, and the reel is up on my Instagram. Please do check it out. So, was Cardi B's viral hair mask worth the hype? I mean, definitely. Will you try it on your hair? Let me know. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.